Hey everybody, Rogers Motor Cars. Today we've got a really nice Jeep Wrangler here. This is a 2021 Wrangler Rubicon. It's got the V6 in it, the e-torque V6 gas motor, 28,800 miles, clean Carfax, a lot of goodies. We're going to walk around on this one, take a look. It's got the winch, steel bumper package, very nice, the Stinger front end right there. 37-inch tires. Those are aftermarket wheels, black Rhino. They look really good. It's got the rock sliders on it. Take a walk around here. We've got the spare on the back. We'll open this up. It's pretty cool. We've got this little tray table that folds down right here. If I can get it with... There we go. Pretty neat little tray table. You can put your drinks in there. I guess you're cutting up your fish here. Put that back here. There we go. Of course, we've got the bag for your Freedom Top. Does have the power boards. I love these. They're nice and skinny. They drop down real fast. Got your all-weather mats in there. This is a leather interior on this one. It's got the cold weather package, so you got heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's got the big screen, navigation. Check it out, all your four-wheel drive stuff. It's got the 4-to-1 rock track additional option on it. It's got the headliner here. Pretty cool. 3-piece color, body colored hardtop, which is an option as well. It does have a safe inside the console here also. Boom, you can lock your stuff up. Non-smoker, remote start, adaptive cruise. Very well optioned. Just drop the camera there. Very, very clean. We can send this to you on an open trailer anywhere in the country. If you've got your own financing, that's great. If you're paying cash, that's great. If you need financing, we can help with that too. Extended warranties, we offer those. It's a really nice, clean, black on black Rubicon with some nice, tasteful mods. Highly optioned from the factory. This Jeep was, I want to say the MSRP was like $65,000. It was up there. So, pretty cool. Got a little lift kit, nothing crazy. LED lighting group from the factory, so all the headlights and everything are LEDs. So give us a call. Let's do a deal on this one. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, give me a call, text me. My number's in the description. And if you need some additional photos or anything, just reach out to me. We'll take care of you. Hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.